A lot of people ask me this question, Jimmy. They say like, hey, if Dogecoin is so good, then why Warren Buffett and Cathie Wood did not invest into Dogecoin? Well, here's my take. Dogecoin is a good investment in my personal opinion. It's a great investment in my personal opinion. But Warren Buffett, one of the reasons I think Warren Buffett did not invest into Dogecoin is why? Because that is not his specialty. Warren Buffett, if you study, he is one of the best investors of all time. But the problem in here is he spent his whole entire life acquiring brand name. What this really means is he understands about company really well, and his focus is find great company like Geico, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, and buy those companies at low price or invest into those stocks at bottom price. So that's what Warren Buffett is good at. And he always say this thing: never invest into something that you do not understand, and don't invest into something that you are not confident. So for Warren Buffett, he spent his whole entire life understand about brand and acquire brand name and invest into great stock and great company. So he don't have a lot of knowledge into cryptocurrency, and if he want to start over from scratch, then he have to understand and study cryptocurrency really deep and down, right? But Warren Buffett, he is not in the position to take the risk to invest in cryptocurrency. Why? If I was in Warren Buffett's position, I will not. Why? Because he have a lot of money. He has multi-billion dollars. And why would he want to take the risk when he have a huge brand name? He can go inside a company and build that brand name and acquire that company for a low price because his name is really big. Whatever company that he touched to is turned into gold. And that is the reason why there's no point for him to take the risk right now at this certain time of his age, okay? He's not young anymore. So I see why Warren Buffett, he do that, okay? Because he have the leverage in brand name already. So the second thing is Cathie Wood. So Jimmy, why is Cathie Wood doesn't invest into Dogecoin when Dogecoin is so potential, but why Cathie Wood invest into Bitcoin? The answer is very simple, guy. Cathie Wood, her focus is invest into disruptive companies. That's why you see her portfolio is invest into like great company, is disruptive, head toward the future, and she invests into cryptocurrency as well. But here's why she don't invest into Dogecoin. Number one, if you look into the market right now, Bitcoin is not in the infancy stage anymore. It's not in the risky stage anymore. And she have an obligation to give a lot of money, right? Return. She have a promise to give return to a lot of investors that believe into her. So she don't want to invest into something that have a lot of high risk. Dogecoin right now is still really in the early stage, okay? Not many people believe into it. So that's why Cathie Wood right now, she only invests into the portfolio, the cryptocurrency where is it's more safety. So I understand where she come from. She don't invest like $1 million, $5 million, or even 20 million. She invests hundreds of million dollars. So I see why she want to invest into something that it doesn't require a lot of risk. So just think about this for a moment. Think of like company like Coca-Cola, company like let's say Geico, or any kind of company is huge like Microsoft and Apple. So if for Microsoft and Apple to launch a marketing, it's gonna take a lot of time because it have to approve by the board, by the management and everything. So take a look at, like, let's say for example, think of it like Chase, okay? Chase is a really big bank. Wells Fargo is a really big bank. So if you know right now, investment broker trading platform is head toward the future. But why is the startup like Robinhood so far, they move so fast, okay? Because they understand the niche market right now so much more than Wells Fargo and Chase, okay? So they saw the niche market and they move really fast. Sometimes, guy, the small guy, the people that understand the niche market, they can move things really fast because the big company, they're gonna require approval from the board, they're gonna require approval from many different departments, and they move things really slow. And of course, the bigger you are, like Chase and Wells Fargo, you have more obligation for a shareholder or things like that, okay? So long story short, I say, guy, for me, I really think that Dogecoin is one of the high risk investment, which is the cryptocurrency that have the potential, but I think for Cathie Wood, for Warren Buffett, they may not invest in because sometimes it could be high risk right now for them at the moment, and they have more obligation because they have a lot of money on hand. They don't want to take that risk. However, like I say, the guy like ROBINHOOD, the guy like SoFi, they saw the niche market and they're willing to take that risk into the niche market, and they become successful. Same thing like you and I, right? If you saw a potential in the market, sometimes if you want to be you, like for example, like it's me, Jimmy Tran, Thinksmart Brother, if we want to be who we are, right? If we want to be different, we have to understand the strength of Warren Buffett, the Cathie Wood, right? And we have to approach and we have to invest based on our unique ability. One of the reasons why Cathie Wood become Cathie Wood, because she studied from the best of the best like Warren Buffett, and after that she invests on her own style based on the technology that head toward the future. That's why she become Cathie Wood. Warren Buffett become Warren Buffett because he studied from the best and he invests based on his own unique style. Okay, Chamath is the same way. He understand and study from the best of the best, but he invests into SPAC, SPAC, right? Because he understands the niche market and he established himself. Thinksmart Brother are the same thing. We understand that cryptocurrency is the future, and we study really well about cryptocurrency. And at the end of the day, we are a small guy, right? We're not like invest like $100 million, so we're willing to take the risk to invest into Dogecoin because we saw the future of Dogecoin. So like I say, guys, this is the explanation of why Cathie Wood, Warren Buffett did not invest into Dogecoin. Doesn't mean Dogecoin is bad. Like for example, different people, they see different vision. Why Elon Musk, he saw the vision of Dogecoin. Why so many other people, they invest into Dogecoin, right? But not Cathie Wood, not Warren Buffett. Different people have different business. That's why you see so many business out there in the world. Like for example, like some business, why people, they become successful selling life insurance. Why some people, they become successful by distribution. Why some people, they successful by oil. Why some people, they become successful on many different categories. Like I say, if you want to be you, then you have to believe in what you're investing and stick to it, but learn from the best of the best. Anyway, guys, good luck and always invest like a genius.